Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Academy of Internal Audit. So as you know, we are preparing a series called Success Stories in which we are inviting qualified certified internal auditor, certified fraud examiner and certified anti-money laundering specialist. So in the continuation of same, today we have with us Mr. Sunil. So just to introduce Mr. Sunil, by qualification is a chartered accountant and now a certified internal auditor as well. As far as his professional experience is concerned, he is carrying the 16 years of rich experience in India as well as into the Middle East, while working with the Deloitte, PwC and Protiviti, and right now he is appointed as a senior internal auditor with Qatar Steel Company at Doha, Qatar. So Sunil, first of all, many congratulations on becoming certified internal auditor.
Thank you so much for your wishes. It was not possible without your support and continuous guidance, sir.
Right. Thank you so much, Sunil. I would say it's all because of your hard work, dedication and commitment of achieving this certification. Yes, I have to do it. That's really very nice, Sunil. So Sunil, how you are feeling now after becoming certified internal auditor?
I am feeling very great, sir. I made a promise to myself long years ago that I have to get this certification, which is a global recognition in my field. So whatever the situation it was, I stood with it and cleared it with your blessings.
Very nice, Sunil, and that's really very good. And that's why this day is here, that you are as a Sunil CIA, right? Yes, very good. So Sunil, can you please let all of the viewer about your journey, how you started, how you prepared and how you appeared into the exam?
As everybody knows that this is a professional exam and mostly people are, married and having kids, other responsibilities. So it's difficult to manage the work and your studies together. So what I did is I first of all made my plan according to your guidance that, we have to make a systematic study. We should not stop. I did not skip my study at any point of time. It was a regular, interaction with you on weekly basis. So what I followed is just regular and get in touch with the books, so that there is no gap in learning. So whenever the exam is coming, so I'm ready for the preparation and to be ready to appear in the exam.
Great. Very nice, Sunil. So Sunil, as I understand that yes, you have made it, and so can you please quickly touch upon certain do's and don'ts which you would like to share with your fellow CIE aspirants in India as well as in Qatar and across the globe, whosoever would be watching this video?
Sir, what I followed is that we should be confident. It's not like it is coming from a different situation. You will face a lot of questions, a lot of situation which is coming from your practical experience. So first of all, be confident. Do not skip your studies on a regular basis. Do study on a daily basis. Don't sleep without studying. Like at least a 1 page or 2 page is fine. And be confident in your exam as well. Time management in the exam is most critical. Now you don't have to look at your clock all the time after completing 2-3 questions. So that will eat up all of your time. So best idea is to just make a break like 20 or 30 or 50 like that, and then you can continue like that. And best is to flag the question, because if you stop at a question, it will take 5 minutes and then you are completely out of time at the end. So my advice is to focus on your studies, regularly attend your classes. And what I did specifically this time is that I practice all the questions. I mark the wrong question which I made, and next time when I'm revising it, I'm not going through the 500 questions. I'm going to the wrong answers itself. So that is the focus, because otherwise all questions are eventually is correct. So remaining portion is creating a problem for me. So that my focus is targeted. That is the do part of it, and it's just that you have to be confident in the exam. If you are not confident in the exam, you will lose all the patience in the exam itself. Yeah. So that's the summarized way of my understanding of the exam and the preparation.
Very nice. You correctly mentioned, Sunil, like being confident, staying confident is very important, right? You mentioned that continuous study also play a vital role in anyone's success. That's again very important. And time management, when we are attempting the question in the examination, it's very important to manage the time. And it doesn't mean that every second question, after second question will be saying looking towards the time. No, it's better check it after 20 question, maybe after 30 question also. Absolutely right. So Sunil, the moment you were sitting in the examination and you were confronting the question, what kind of feeling you were getting inside?
I was looking at each question is that I'm not reading the option first of all. I'm just focusing on what exactly written, because the question is the boundary we have to set in our minds.
Yeah.
Otherwise, our imagination or assumption will take in place, and then the direction will change. So my focus is to read between the lines, because line is critical, word is critical in the questions. One word, not, yeah, at least these will change your answer. And then I made my answer in my mind immediately, if the concept is there and I'm aware of the question. And then I look at and eliminate the one which is unnecessary, and then I get the 99%. I get the right answer. In 1% cases, I was having doubt. In that case, I flag the question and move. That's my approach. And I had a good margin of 20 to 25 minutes towards the end of the exam. So I had a chance to go through the flag question, and I made some certain changes as well, and the result is with us.
Yeah, very nice, Sunil. So Sunil, the moment you give the exam and you are already getting 16 plus years of experience into the internal auditing, right? Working with these big giants, I would say. Now, adding this CIA feather into your professional hat, what do you think that how it is going to help you in the time to come?
Sir, it is giving a bigger perspective, because when you are working as without CIA preparation, without looking at, without knowing the standards and all the global practice, you are working towards your experience and your guidance of your supervisors and all that. But when you know the global practice, then you add value to the organization. You can be participating into the bigger decisions. You can provide your insights and proactively engage into. Then a company will see value into you and give you bigger responsibility. So you can go anywhere in the world. That is the biggest opportunity here. I can apply. This is a global preference. Whenever you are going CA with CIA is the biggest added advantage.
Very nice. Absolutely right. So Sunil, can you please quickly just let us know, if we talk about the Middle East region, how this certification called CIA is recognized, how it is in demand across the Middle East region? Any open thought around it?
Sir, 8 out of 10 requirements of internal auditor is basically giving preference to CIA. Even my own job description is saying CIA is preferred. Now we are hiring more people who are having CIA certification, because CA is multi-dimensional, and then CIA is very specific to the audit. So it gives edge and edge towards the other one which would do not have this certification. So Middle East is basically preferring CA, of course, but CIA they are preferring because here the crowd is multinational. So you will see people from UK, you will see from Middle East, from Australia, from India. So you have to be having a global certification to stand out in the crowd.
Yeah. So and one more thing, being by obtaining CIA, you will be actually called as the specialized in the internal audit field, right? As we can say, CIA is the Mount Everest certification in the field of internal auditing. So obviously, and you correctly mentioned, that's why the people across the Middle East are actually doing these kind of certifications. Yes, very nice, Sunil. So thank you so much once again for sparing your valuable time and sharing your valuable inputs with all of your fellow CIA aspirants. We at Academy of Internal Audit would like to congratulate you once again on becoming Certified Internal Auditor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your blessings.